Okay, the hard part about the strategy is keeping all your money working constantly. Um, right now we're just looking for trades, and I'm trying to put on a trade in BIBB, which my credit I'm asking for is $1.30, and market is $1.32, 132.5. So 2.5 cents above my credit that I'm asking, and they still have yet to fill me. Also, in Priceline, I'm asking $1.50. I got filled on this in paper and not in real life, which always ticks me off because they just want people in paper to think that they're going to get some of these trades that they're actually not going to get in real life. So this filled on paper trade didn't fill in real life. And let's see here. So this will eat up $1,000 of margin, and I have so I still have 6 trades on, which will um, which is good because I'm getting about 9%, and I know, let's see, one of those is one of those is 1,000, um, whatever it's called. This one's 1,000 buying power, so 1,000 plus another 5, so we got 5 times 500 plus 1,000, so we have $3,500 up in capital, and um, about so that's 50% is tied up, and we're looking to, I forgot we have this other Apple working, so we're looking to use another $1,500. Um, this Apple credit, we're trying to get 205 for it, and it's at 203. So it's just the daily struggle of trying to get filled in some of these. If I did not sit at my computer, I would just put these on and then walk away from my computer. Um, but that's not the case for me. So we're going to scan again and see if there's anything else that we can put on, and just run through a couple of these. IBN. Let's try that. Wait. And I also think I'm trying to get win. Oh no, I filled in win. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so what we do with this, we go boom, $1.17 minus our 12 cents of commission equals $1.05 times 0.25, because we want 25% of our max profit after we take out our commissions. So that is 26.25. So we're just gonna round it up to 27 cents. Which, if we go back to negative, we subtract our $1.05 from this, 78 cents. So we're gonna go for 78 cents debit. So we right click here, create opposite order, and go to 78-cent debit. Good till canceled. And that one is history. Okay. So now I actually have $4,000 working for us and still trying to fill up $1,500 worth of goodies. So BIBB is $1.35. So we're actually going to cancel and replace this and ask for a dollar. Just going to go $1.35, see if it fills. Still nothing yet. And for Apple, 205 to 0.025. For Priceline, we're actually going to lower this to $1.45 and see if they come up and fill me. And come on. Come on up. might be able to hear me better now. PL day in RUT has been 77.50, which has been really awesome. And mainly because I watched the market and we opened lower today, and then really these last since 11:30, we just started selling off here, just boom, 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 which has been great for us because we go to the Analyze tab, and we can see this white line right here that goes, it's kind of this curvy line. Well, this shows our theta decay and where we're at right now. So RUT is at 11:05 right now. It was all the way up to 11:30 Monday. So we've dropped quite a bit, and if we keep dropping, our midpoint is right around the 1080 to 1090 area. So we could actually get filled today on our exit, and we started this Friday. So we can see this if I move this date forward right here. We can see, you'll start seeing the white line keep moving, and that's showing the theta come out of the stock. What this red line is basically if this went all the way to expiration, this is our maximum amount of profit, which is $262. So that's our absolute max profit that we can get, and it needs to stay within our strikes, which is basically 1,010 and on the downside and 1160 on the upside. And right now we are at 1105. So there's a really good chance of that happening. However, we have learned that we want that 25% of our maximum amount of profit. And if we do that, we can rotate our money in again. So simply, I could sit here for 37 days and collect $262 and divide that by 37. That's $7 a day. Or if I know that the average is about 5.8 days, so 6 days to stay in here, let's just do 37 divided by 6. That's 6 times round trips that I could possibly make this trade. I am making 75 cents per trade that I'm in here. So let's just go 6 times 0.75. That's 450 bucks. $450 is greater than $262. Booyah, baby. So that is what our goal is just to keep our money moving. We get out of a trade, we get back into a trade. And that's the biggest thing that you have to do with the strategy is keep your money involved in the market. And with that, I'm going to end this video as we are trying to get filled still in BIIB. Just trying to get filled in Priceline, which looks like it's moved against us. And Apple, which also has moved down over 7 cents. So I'm going to take a look at those and figure out where to move those to right now. And my long positions, VIX, starting to come back. And some of my short positions that I've been in for quite a long time need to come back to me, which is the SPY trade, Halliburton, YPF, and Twitter. Those got to come back to me. So those are my boogers. Everything else in here is an iron condor, and I will talk with you later.